In this tutorial, you will learn how to download and install the Microsoft Whiteboard app in Windows 11 and Windows 10. First, open your Microsoft Store. First, open your Microsoft Store. Search for Microsoft Whiteboard. Press the Get button to start downloading Microsoft Whiteboard. Wait for Microsoft Whiteboard to be downloaded and installed. Now your Microsoft Whiteboard app should be installed. Now open your Microsoft Whiteboard app. Select Sign In. Now type in your Microsoft Whiteboard login info. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.